Hey everybody, my name is Zakia Ringgold. I am your social techie soaper, and I just got some packaging. It's from Amazon, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this, so stick around. What's inside? Okay, so welcome to the video. If you are brand new to me, my name is Zakia, and I am a live streamer that is attempting to figure out this whole YouTube world because it's a little bit different from what I am used to. And if you look at some of my previous videos, a couple of things are happening. Number one, the sound quality is definitely not there. And that's because I am using my cell phone, which does not necessarily translate over very well because I am not using my headphone jack with a lavalier microphone or even the AirPods, something to give a higher quality sound. So right now I'm actually recording this video with my MacBook, and I do have a microphone because in my former life I thought I was going to be a podcaster. Still trying to figure out what I'm going to be when I grow up. Neither here nor there. And so I also want to show you, I have two different cameras. I have a webcam, and then I also have a camera that is on my MacBook. So you're on my MacBook right now, but look at this. When I switch it over, it's a little washed out. It's like a little bit of a flicker or whatnot. So I don't really like that one. Got to figure out how to change those colors. It's a Logitech camera. They do have some settings that you can adjust, but I ain't got time for that. I'm just going by what the MacBook is giving me on default. So you want really crisp pictures, and so I was attempting to pull some of my live streams from the other platforms and just load those over to YouTube. The problem is that the quality is driven down dramatically. I don't know the technical term for it, but it looks very grainy when it appears on YouTube versus when I actually record it live on my laptop. So I do have a camera because I am a soap maker who actually likes to put their products online. And I will be able to use this. I hear that there's some autofocus issues, but in the meantime and in between time, I will be using this to record videos for the specific purpose of uploading them to YouTube. However, the microphone on here is even more janky than the microphone on here. So, you probably have guessed, because I've said microphone 3 times. Put in the comments if you knew that I was about to say I'm opening up a microphone. We're opening up a microphone that will be able to attach to my camera. So let me lower you just a taste so the camera is in shot. The bag is in shot. And let's see what we got. And as my grandmother and my mother and all of my aunts used to say, you get what you get and you don't get upset. Well, I picked this one, so there's no way I can be upset. Boom! This is what we got. And we're just going to throw that on the floor like nobody's watching. This is the microphone that we ended up getting. Don't even know why I have that little wind thingamajigger on there. Because I probably won't be recording making soap outside. But you never know. If I'm vlogging, that's a thing. I might need it. So, the thing about this is you're supposed to be able to... The reason I got this one in particular is because it actually connects to both an iPhone as well as a camera. There's 2 different jacks on there that I'm supposed to be able to use. But I don't really think that's going to work because, you know, Apple, they done got us. They done got us. We don't have the regular circular... Let me get it in frame. We don't have the little circular opening anymore. They done got us all up in there. Whatchamacallit. All right, so... This is where I would usually be watching a YouTube video to figure out how to do a proper unboxing and setup of this doohickey tool, but that's not what we're doing. So it comes in, let's see, you get a little pouch. Ooh, it's so fancy, and it's faux leather. It's not real leather, it's faux leather, but it's leather nonetheless. This, I believe, is what attaches to the top of your camera. Smile for the camera now. Click. Click. All right, I'm going to take a picture of you guys. I'm going to go in live view. what I hate about this camera is, I killed my, oh, there we go. You ready? You ready? I'm ready, B. Are you? 50 points if you know who that came from. So I'm going to go in. Oh, I got to zoom a little more because I don't want all the background. Boom. There you go. You've just been filmed. All right, so that's if you're taking a picture. We're not taking a picture. We're talking about video and getting good sound on those videos. So what you would do is you slide this piece right in there. And I'm going to look so fancy. Got to pull this down a little bit more. Why aren't you charging? Hold on, guys. Let's go ahead and pause for the cause. Okay, we're back. We got some power, so there you have it. So what we've done so far is we've just taken this one piece, but this kind of, oh, it spins to tighten it in place. Uh-huh. Learned just something there, didn't I? All right, so this is the microphone. It comes in two pieces. This by itself. So this is the actual microphone. I do know that this is considered a cardioid or cartoid microphone where you have to be standing directly in front of it. It's not going to get the sound coming from around it. So speak it to the microphone just like that. And then what we do, I'm going to put this back on there because I think it actually makes it look a whole lot fancier. Just in my humble opinion. Makes me look like I'm a semi-professional. I'm a professional. I'm a professional, people. All right. And then we just slide this, kind of, sort of. Maybe not. Oh, this thing don't feel that secure. I'm going to break it. Nobody wants to break it live. All right, let me get the right cord. I don't want to break it live. There's no, oh, there is instruction manual. Plug. See, this is what you're supposed to be able to do. You should be able to plug it into a phone or your camera right there. Number 4, this is called the shock mount. So how do we get it in there? Because it doesn't feel like it just slides in. Lock the microphone on the camera hot shoe. Oh, you're supposed to do it before. Let's take it off. Take it off. Yeah, that, and I did see somebody that was in the review, guys, for this, that you don't, it doesn't want to, I'm going to break it. You know how they say don't speak some things into existence? I can feel myself about to break this. Oh, there is a guard. I didn't break it. Okay, we got it on. So, ow, but I did get my thumb. Got my thumb a little bit there. All right, so that's now on. So I'm going to slide that back onto the camera, and then I'm going to lock it. Man, that really got my thumb. It's like a little bit of a pinch. Little bit of a pinch we got going on there. Okay. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Do you guys remember that? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, so we now have our little fuzzy wind protector. We've got our camera. All right, which one? Microphone, smartphone. Oh, they do label it for us non. And even if you can't read, there's pictures on the back. Okay? So, no excuses. Huh! But then they're shady with the other side because this has no pictures. Like, figure it out. We showed you pictures on the other one. We know that this one goes into a smartphone if I had the kind of smartphone that could take that jack. And I don't have the adapter. All right, so we want to, it shows you that the straight end goes into the mic jack. Where are you, mic jack? And this is where it probably helps to know your device. Oh, it's on this side. They tell you. It's right there. All right, so let's open this up. We're going to stick that in. There's the mic jack, and then we plug the other part into the back of the camera, like so, or the back of the microphone, like so. And now we are pretty much ready to go. There is no charging required. I'm going to look so fancy I'm going to look like a semi-professional without my cell phone, but with an actual camera. And so if I were to turn this on and extends it, I'm going to open up this here. What'd I do? Or not? Next video we'll be watching is how to work your daggone camera. Okay, so we've tapped it down. That opens it up just a little bit. If I want to go into record mode, I'm going to go in live. Here, you guys will be able to see if I go. Oh, I can't turn it. Dang it. I can't turn it because I plugged the mic in. Hold on. Let me unplug the microphone. Come out. This could be a blooper reel. No, I don't want a picture. Boom. All right, now let's get our mic back in. Okay. So, as you can see right there, you actually have what you're shooting, the sound, and if I go into record mode, it's now recording. And hopefully the sound is better. But like I told you at the beginning, or at some point in this video, my sound is going to suck terribly. Let me stop it. My sound is going to suck really bad because with this, you're actually supposed to be directly in front of the mic. Not like standing here talking to the mic, but your voice has to be projecting from this way. Now, a couple things missing. Like I said, I am a live streamer who is converting over to a little bit of pre-recorded streaming or video broadcasting or filming. What is it? I don't even know the right lingo, but it doesn't matter. What that means is I don't actually have a tripod to sit my camera on. That'll be in our next unboxing. I got the most inexpensive one that I could find. But so far, we have got our camera and our microphone. And hopefully the sound quality will get a little bit better. I'm Zakia. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, guys.